Good morning. So I'm at Walnut Canyon National Monument today here in Arizona. That's going to be my final destination on this trip out west. And I just wanted to come back here, check out the monument for a little while. And yeah, it's Christmas Eve. Not very busy today, so let's go see Walnut Canyon.
So Howard, what's up?
I joined the Junior Ranger program.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you.
Thanks. Gotta take care of our national parks.
That's right.
So when you come out to our national parks and federal lands, don't leave a trace and extinguish all fires you make, all your campfires. Never leave a fire burning.
Yep.
Prevent forest fires.
Yep. Okay.
So you can see just how many cliff dwellings there are throughout here. It's pretty amazing. Looking down into the canyon from here. So these cliff dwellings here at Walnut Canyon were established approximately 800 years ago by the Senaqua culture that lived here for approximately 100 years. And why they left is unknown. Probably different reasons came together. And this park itself was established in 1915. So you've got a lot of cliff dwellings right here in this area. Let's go check out some of them. Here you've got a couple of different options for trails, shorter trails. This one is the Island Trail. It's a 1 mile loop hike, and this is what we're doing today to get close to some of these cliff dwellings so you can get a closer look at them. And just to let you know, this Island Trail goes down pretty steep, so you do have quite a few stairs to come back up on the way out. Keep that in mind. It's important to note that there was a big volcanic eruption here a long time ago, and that forced people to leave because they lost their homes and land back then when that happened. So you can see cliff dwellings all throughout this canyon, even where you can't walk to, right over here and here on this side. And it's just always amazing to see, because you kind of wonder, how did they even get up that way? All the scrambling. I mean, that's if this looked exactly the same. Maybe it changed a little bit. So this talks about that it was the perfect shelter for each room tucked into this rock alcove. Nature provided the back wall, floor, leak-proof ceiling. Builders simply laid up unshaped blocks of limestone for side walls, enclosed the front, and opened their doorway to the canyon. Here only 2 walls remain. At this one here, you can see that it's pretty open right now. Here's another open dwelling. So there's just one after the next right here once you get down into it. Really, really interesting to see. So here it talks about that several items were found when they were digging this area up. Corn stalks, corn cobs, beans, gourds, nuts, arrows, bowstrings, cloth, a child's sandal, a measuring stick. And it also talks about a number of rooms in Walnut Canyon, like this one, were destroyed by visitors who came here in the late 1800s. They came armed with shovels and left with souvenirs, so that was a shame. But that's what people did back then, before this area was protected. So of course we wonder, why did people leave here? And that's not really clear. It talks about that here. It says drier and colder conditions forced people to move south and east of here. And in 1250, that's what happened here. People left the area. So yeah, all these different aspects came together and made people go to other places. So it was an amazing place to visit. Definitely recommend you check out Walnut Canyon if you're ever in the Flagstaff area. And thank you for coming along today. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and I will support you in return. Until next time.